Assalamu alaikum, this is Cafe Como. Today I tried to make the Moroccan fish soup. It was so delicious, and we are drinking this soup in this Ramadan, mostly ever since we have tasted it. I prepared ingredients first: 250 grams of prawns, 2 short cuts of celery stalks, 2 carrots, 1 small-sized onion, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, which is about 30 grams, 1 slice of white meat fish fillet, I use basa, and 3 cloves of garlic, and last but not least, some tomato paste. Peel the prawn and set the meat and the skin in a separate bowls. If the prawn side is too big, cut them in small pieces. I then cut the basa meat. It was so grainy to cut with a knife, so I used kitchen scissors. Cut the celery and the rest of the vegetables in reasonably big pieces. You don't need to cut them small because we will use it for the stock making. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the soup pot. Put all the vegetables into the pot and cook them for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put the prawn skins and cook together. What we need is the formation of the brown bits on the bottom of the pan. It is the natural MSG. At this point, I put 1 bay leaf. Put 1 liter of water. In this video, I put the stock we happen to have from when we were preparing for the mussel meat. If you want to know how to cook Moroccan mussel tagine, I'll put the link here, so please watch it too. Heat it until it boils and cook it for at least 30 minutes. Here, I forgot to put tomato paste when I cooked the veggies. It should have browned better if I had put it at that time. Looks so good already. After that, I drained the stock into the strainer. Can't lose even 1 drop. We're almost done. Next, I made roux, which is a French way of soup thickening. But in Morocco, they actually mix the flour into a small amount of water first and pour it slowly into the soup base. I don't know how the taste is different between the 2 methods yet. I tried the French one this time and will prepare with the Moroccan style and let you know later. Personally, I think making roux is not that easy, so I am curious if it is that necessary for soup making. We'll figure it out later. Normally, it is not recommended to pour the hot stock to the roux. You have to add it when it is cooled down and should do it little by little. So I made a mistake here, but fortunately it didn't make lumps. Add salt to taste. Finally, add in the fish. And cook it until the fish is cooked for about 10 minutes. This vapor bothered me a lot while filming this video. It was so delicious and satisfying. You can feel the same when using just water. And I think it is a quite simple way to make a delicious soup. I hope you enjoy and spend the rest of the Ramadan happily and safely with your loved ones. Thank you. Selamat.